Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new video on Hellhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. So today it's a complaint site where we have been found that a massive overflow and a very long overflow which has been drawn not only this road but the adjacent all the streets. About 30 streets are flooded with this sewer line. Today we are going to change the sewer line because the sewer line pipes are damaged and we are gonna change that sewer line. So this is the point from where the sewer line got damaged, and you can see it's a very narrow street, so we cannot use machinery at this point because the uh, boom of excavator cannot move at that narrow street. About 10 feet a deep sewer line, so we are going to replace the sewer line by manually. From till this manhole we are going to change the sewer line. All the services at this point, like water supply, the main water supply sewer line also passing from this point, and there is also a abundant sewer line and gas lines, and each and everything, every services are passing from this point. So this work is going to be very complicated. You can see this is the water supply, clear water supply line. Excavation by manually is in progress, and we will remove this all the services which are in the excavation. A diverting set is also installed to give temporary relief to the flooded area. They are removing the pipes by using this. This is the abundant sewer line which I already talked about. This is the manhole of abundant sewer line. Existing sewer line which we are going to replace is very close to the houses walls. This is the gas supply line which I think is not in use nowadays, and they are cutting it. are the pipes of that water supply line, which are they are removing from the excavation. This point has already been completed and the sewer pipe has already been laid at this point, and only this point is now remaining where work is in progress. Now they have been reached very close to the manhole, and now the work is about to end. ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਕਲੈਨ ਹੀ ਦੱਸੇਗਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਦੋ. Here is the excavation for a new manhole. We will construct a new manhole at this point. ਅੱਜ ਭਲਾ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ਾ?
आज 9 दिन तो मैनू है खले नहीं गए थे बस सोचे का पता
ਨਹੀਂ ਬੜਾ ਤੇ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ.
मैंने इसे 9 दिन हो गए ना अगर पता नहीं काम भी सार बड़ा मुश्किल है.
ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵਾ.
पहले आपने देख के दो पर नहीं मिला
इसको लाया नहीं पानी आएगा तो
You can see the construction of manhole is in progress.
मैं क्या पोले ये चला देंगे पोले कितना गिला कर रहा है 8 तक आ गया वो परे नु खिंची जाती है उसका गिला कर के 60 के मैं चुप कर रहा हूं.
कम पर और असि आपको गतन चल पड़ी. अच्छा
So this is the excavation for connection purpose. The last pipe has been remaining, and the sewer line will be connected with the existing sewer line.
आ जावे तो देसी में ना मेरे पास आगे नहीं होती वो इनकी देसी जो मिलती बड़ी बनाएंगे सारा मेर भी 1.5 फुट का ग्रेट आया तो चमके ना ये बढ़ती है सरिया बेचा.
Now the labor is breaking the wall of manhole from where they can connect the new sewer line with the manhole. इधर नो इधर wall has been broken and the sewage is now coming from that point which was overflowing at that point where I has been shown earlier. The connection has been made. The sewer line is now functional. Rest of the work will do the water supply labor and they will lay the new water supply line here. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੈ